creepy deep voice going like, "What have you done with your life today, Thomas?" "Nothing." And you'll go, "Why is that sad, John? Why do people think that's sad?" And I'm like, "How do you not think it's sad?" "Do you think you're a failure, Thomas?" "Yes." I don't get why people think it's sad. It's not trying to be sad. It's trying to... Do you think about killing yourself, Thomas? All the time. I don't know why people think it's sad. That's you. That's what you sound like.